The tech industry is in a weird place. Remember those we're hiring? Banners? They're gone. Replaced with news of massive layoffs. It seems every day another tech giant announces cuts. Thousands of skilled workers are suddenly out of a job. What's going on? Is this just a blip, or a sign of bigger changes in the tech world? Buckle up because we're diving into the wild world of tech layoffs. The truth is, it's complicated. The tech industry boomed during the pandemic. Everyone wanted gadgets and software to survive lockdowns. Companies hired like crazy to keep up, but now things are cooling down. People are spending less. Companies are tightening their belts. And those massive workforces? Suddenly looking a little bloated. Add to that some exciting but also potentially job-stealing advancements in artificial intelligence, and you've got a recipe for some serious job market anxiety. But before we all start building underground bunkers and stockpiling canned goods, let's take a closer look at what's really happening, who's actually getting laid off, why, and most importantly, what can you do to survive and thrive in this ever-changing tech landscape? Don't worry, we've got you covered. It's not just small startups feeling the heat, we're talking big players. Intel, the chip-making giant, announced plans to cut thousands of jobs. Cisco, the networking equipment company, followed suit with similar cuts. Even Google, the king of search, isn't immune, with layoffs impacting various departments. These are just a few examples in a long list of tech companies making drastic cuts. These numbers are staggering, and the human impact is real. Behind each layoff is a person with a family, bills, and dreams. It's easy to get caught up in the corporate jargon of restructuring and efficiency, but we need to remember the real people affected by these decisions. So, what's driving this wave of layoffs? It's not just one thing, but a perfect storm of factors. First, there's the economic slowdown. Inflation is soaring, interest rates are rising, and people are cutting back on spending. This directly impacts tech companies that rely on consumer spending and advertising revenue. Second, the post-pandemic boom is over. Remember when everyone was stuck at home, ordering gadgets and subscribing to streaming services? Those days are gone. People are going outside again, and the demand for tech products and services has cooled down. This has left some companies overstaffed and overextended. Third, automation is changing the game. Artificial intelligence and automation are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of performing tasks previously done by humans. This is particularly true in areas like customer service, data analysis, and even software development. Companies are now realizing they can streamline their workforce and reduce costs by embracing these technologies. Section 4. The rise of the machines, AI, and the future of work. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's evolving rapidly, and it's changing the way we work. From chatbots answering customer queries to algorithms analyzing massive datasets, AI is taking over tasks that were once considered the domain of humans. This doesn't necessarily mean robots are coming for all our jobs. However, it does mean the skills required for in-demand jobs are changing. Repetitive manual tasks are more susceptible to automation. On the other hand, jobs requiring creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving are likely to remain in demand. The key takeaway: adaptability is crucial. To thrive in this evolving job market, we need to embrace lifelong learning and focus on developing skills that complement, rather than compete with, AI. Section 5. Future-proof your skills, what employers want. Okay, so AI is changing the game, but what does that mean for you? What skills should you be learning to stay ahead of the curve? The good news is that many in-demand skills are already within reach. First, consider diving into the world of AI and machine learning. These fields are exploding with opportunities, and companies are actively seeking skilled professionals who can develop and implement AI solutions. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math whiz to get started. There are tons of online resources and boot camps that can help you gain practical skills in AI/ML. Second, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With cyber attacks becoming increasingly common and sophisticated, companies are desperate for experts who can protect their data and systems. If you have a knack for problem solving and an interest in the ever-evolving world of cyber threats, this could be the perfect field for you. Third, cloud computing continues to dominate the tech landscape. As more companies migrate their operations to the cloud, demand for skilled cloud architects, engineers, and administrators will only increase. Familiarizing yourself with popular cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can give you a significant edge in the job market. Section 6. Navigating the shift advice for tech professionals. The tech world is in constant flux. What's hot today might be obsolete tomorrow. Embrace adaptability and never stop learning. Stay curious. Make learning a habit. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and experiment with new technologies. Network like crazy. Connect with people in your field. Don't be afraid to pivot. Embrace the opportunity to learn something new. Stay curious, adaptable, and focused on developing in-demand skills.